Before the internet, before smartphones, and before trading apps let anyone buy a stock with a tap, there was NASDAQ. Born in 1971, NASDAQ became the world's first electronic stock exchange, transforming how markets worked forever. It was created not by a tech startup, but by regulators and engineers who saw that Wall Street's manual system, phones, shouting brokers, and paper tickets could no longer keep up with a fast-moving world. What began as an experiment in automation became the foundation of today's digital investing era. In the late 1960s, trading stocks was slow, exclusive, and prone to chaos. Every buy or sell order required a phone call, a handwritten ticket, and a clerk running it across a trading floor. During busy periods, paperwork literally piled up, a situation known as the paperwork crisis. By 1968, trades were being lost or delayed for days. The New York Stock Exchange even had to shorten its trading hours to keep up. Amid this mess, the National Association of Securities Dealers, NASD, a self-regulating organization overseeing over-the-counter markets, began exploring something radical: a computer-based quotation system that could match buyers and sellers electronically. The goal was simple but ambitious: to bring order, speed, and transparency to markets that had long been controlled by a handful of powerful brokers. On February 8, 1971, the NASD launched the NASDAQ, short for National Association of Securities Dealers Automated Quotations. It started modestly, only providing real-time quotes for roughly 2,500 over-the-counter stocks. There was no online trading yet. Brokers still had to call each other to complete transactions, but for the first time, prices were visible to everyone at once. Many on Wall Street mocked it, and they called it the nerd market, a playground for small, unproven companies that couldn't meet the strict standards of the NYSE. But beneath that skepticism, a revolution had begun. As computers improved and costs dropped, electronic trading expanded. By the late 1970s, NASDAQ introduced automated order execution. By the 1980s, it became the natural home for a new wave of technology companies: Apple, Intel, Microsoft, and others that were rewriting the rules of business. NASDAQ's growth mirrored the rise of the tech industry itself. It provided a marketplace perfectly suited for young, fast-growing companies that believed in innovation over tradition. While the NYSE symbolized legacy and stability, NASDAQ represented speed, risk, and the future. When Apple went public in 1980, it raised over $100 million, one of the largest IPOs in history. Microsoft followed in 1986, paving the way for the personal computer era. In the 1990s, Amazon, Cisco, and Google joined the exchange, turning NASDAQ into the heartbeat of the global digital economy. Even today, NASDAQ remains the hub for companies driving the next frontier, from artificial intelligence to biotechnology to renewable energy. Its story is proof that embracing change early can define entire generations of progress. Innovation always begins as an experiment, often doubted, sometimes dismissed, but eventually unstoppable. The birth of NASDAQ shows how technology doesn't just change markets, it creates them. At Castillo Investments, we believe in that same spirit of progress, combining the wisdom of the past with the tools of the future. Because true investing isn't about chasing what's popular today, it's about recognizing what's transformational tomorrow. Visit elcastilloinvestments.com to learn more and follow us for more financial insights.